In the future, AI will have taken all of our jobs and the world will be run by robots. We will be left with no choice but to load up. Okay, so that's a bit overdramatic, but there are some pretty extreme changes coming to the way that we work and how our teams are going to look in the near future. Everyone has heard of the $1 billion startup, but with advances in AI and shifts in team culture, we're trending towards billion-dollar teams that have a startlingly large impact and surprisingly small footprint. However, it's not the size of the impact of the team that's most controversial, it's the trends at the intersection of technology and culture. For example, a lot of what makes us who we are and how we operate within our workplace can also be reduced to an algorithm. In the near future, your colleagues will interact with an AI representation of you, and you'll interact with AI as a colleague and potentially a boss. The makeup of a team will no longer be a bunch of people, but a mix of real humans and synthetic intelligence.
I am the only human on this set. They are not real.
That should be both exciting and frightening. As Hollywood and education and even art have shown this past year, the rapid rise of AI has forced important conversations into the open, and this will soon be on the minds of every startup and enterprise employee. My session addresses these exciting potential of these trends, along with their thorny realities, shaped by the lessons we've learned in our own organization. A small team with outsized impact, experimenting with new ways of working, like having AI as our coworker within the team, re-engineering the concept of a design sprint with a Big Four consulting firm, all with generative AI at the forefront, and approaching every new project with a focus on the future arc of the workplace. And with that, I ask, why should the bots have all the fun? I would love your help getting my session accepted by going to bit.ly/VoteIan2024. And I hope to see you in Austin.